A lot of individuals are looking for ways to make money, especially now that we are in the ember month, where they are looking for arbitrage system in which they can invest in, where they can be able to invest in a lot of platforms and make a lot of returns and all of that. But I will always say that since we're in the ember month, you need to be very careful when you are out there or you are in the internet looking for what to use in making money for yourself, especially when it comes to make money videos and all of that, because there are a lot of arbitrage videos you'll be seeing today in which a lot of people are doing. Many of them are paid for in order for people to be able to promote the brand and all of that. But you as an individual, you need to also be very careful so that you don't fall a victim to many of these platforms that you see out there. That is why you need to be very careful before you invest in any platform out there and then you start making money for yourself. So in order not for you to lose money for yourself or lose your fund, all I will say is that you need to do your own personal research apart from the person who is advertising it or telling you about the platform and all of that. So there are a lot of platforms today you'll be seeing on the internet which are talking about make money, arbitrage, invest in all these platforms, blah 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 and all of that. But you need to be very careful not for you to lose your fund. We are in November, December is almost close, and a lot of individuals are looking for ways to double their income, invest and all of that. So you need to be very careful. There are some platforms, like if you look at this one here, it's called Superminer site, where you can be able to double your income, you can be able to invest your crypto, mine your crypto and all of that. If you look at the about section of this particular mining site, you see that is all full of scam. It's all full of scam. So you as an individual, you need to be very, very careful not to invest in such platforms like this. I will specifically say that this is a scam platform, so you need to be very careful so that you don't lose your fund and all of that. So if you look at all they are saying, they say it's a simple mining site, you can fix issues, rather blah 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 blah. So be very careful. So if you are out there and you're looking for ways to make money, there are other ways in which you can be able to make money apart from investing in sites like these that are not authentic, and they might look real, they might look very, very real, but you as an individual need to be very, very careful. Look at this other platform here too. It's known as LTEpro. This LTEpro comes with another arbitrage system telling you to invest your platform, get your returns and all of that. If you go into detail, see what this platform is all about, you see that it is also not looking, in fact, it's not a legit platform. They don't have anything showing how legit it is. If you check for the owners, you see that still yet they are hiding their identity. They don't want to get caught and all of that. And in fact, it is not clear. So all I will say is, for those of you who are out there looking for ways to make money online and generate funds for yourself, especially now that we are entering the December period, coming to January, be very careful with your phone. Don't lose your phone. Now it's not the time for you to start doing try and error. You need to be very careful not to lose your, because there are a lot of videos you see online on YouTube here telling you to invest in this, try and do this arbitrage process and all of that. So you need to be very careful so that you don't fall victim of all of these things. That's why on my channel here, I try as much as possible to show you reviews, I show you different things in which I have done on my own. I have tried it and I showed you. You can also do the same and get the same result. That is why all you just need to do is to the very channel so that you don't miss any of my videos when I share good and useful content like this, in which can help you to make money and get lots of fun for yourself. You can also do the Binance arbitrage and many other opportunities that are out there, instead of losing your phone to online sites and scam platforms in which are not legit and all of that. So all I'll tell you is, for now, be very careful not to invest your fund on platforms that are not legit, that are not authentic, that you end up crying at the end of the day. So be very careful out there not to lose your phone. So if you got value from this video, do well to subscribe, and if you don't want to miss any of my subsequent videos, I will always advise you to ensure as much as possible to subscribe. That's one way you can show your voice some love, so you stick to my channel so you don't miss any of my subsequent videos in which I'll be sharing opportunities or arbitrage process and other online making videos in which you don't need to miss. Just subscribe, turn on the notification and give it a like so that more people can be able to see it. So those platforms I just mentioned, like this LTEpro and Superminer site, which I mentioned, you need to be very careful with them. They are all scam platforms in which are looking for a way to reap from people. So see you on my next video. Peace.